Most people use the words income, cash flow, and wealth as if they mean the same thing. They don't. And misunderstanding the difference is one of the biggest reasons people struggle financially. You can have a high income and still be broke. You can have positive cash flow and still not be wealthy. And you can be wealthy without earning a traditional salary. Let's break it down. Part 1. What is income? Income is money coming in. It's what you earn from your job, business, commissions, side hustles, investments, or any other source. For most people, income is the starting point of their financial life. If you're employed, your salary is income. If you run a business, your profits are income. If you own investments that pay dividends or rent, that's income too. The problem is that many people focus only on increasing income. They believe that earning more money automatically leads to financial success. But that's not always true. Think about this. Two people each earn 20,000 Ghana cedis per month. One saves and invests part of their income. The other spends everything. 5 years later, they may have completely different financial lives. Why? Because income alone doesn't determine wealth. What you do with your income matters even more. Cash flow is what remains after money comes in and money goes out. In simple terms, income minus expenses equals cash flow. Let's say you earn 10,000 Ghana cedis per month. Your rent is 2,500 Ghana cedis. Transportation costs 1,000 Ghana cedis. Food costs 1,500 Ghana cedis. Other expenses total 2,000 Ghana cedis. You have 3,000 Ghana cedis remaining. That 3,000 Ghana cedis is positive cash flow. Now imagine another person earning 20,000 Ghana cedis per month, but spending 21,000 Ghana cedis. Despite earning more, they have negative cash flow. This is why some high-income earners constantly struggle financially. Their income looks impressive. Their cash flow tells a different story. Banks understand this very well. When evaluating loan applications, lenders don't just look at income, they look at cash flow. Because repayment comes from available cash flow, not income alone. That's why someone earning less may qualify for a loan while someone earning more gets rejected. The borrower with stronger cash flow is often the lower-risk customer. Now we arrive at the most misunderstood concept of all. Wealth is not income. Wealth is not cash flow. Wealth is the value of assets you own after subtracting your liabilities. Or more simply, wealth is what you keep, not what you earn. Imagine two individuals. Person A earns 30,000 Ghana cedis every month. They drive expensive cars, live in an expensive house, and spend most of their income. Person B earns 12,000 Ghana cedis every month. They own rental properties, investments, and a growing business. 10 years later, who is likely wealthier? Probably person B. Why? Because wealth is built through ownership of assets. Assets produce income. Assets appreciate in value. Assets create future opportunities. Income pays bills. Assets build wealth. Society celebrates income. People talk about salaries. They talk about promotions. They talk about revenue. Very few people talk about cash flow. Even fewer talk about wealth. This creates a dangerous illusion. People start chasing income while ignoring the foundations of financial success. A person earning 5,000 Ghana cedis with strong savings habits and positive cash flow may be moving toward wealth faster than someone earning 25,000 Ghana cedis and spending everything. The goal is not simply to earn more. The goal is to convert income into assets and then allow those assets to generate cash flow. That's how wealth is built. Think of it this way. Income creates cash flow. Cash flow buys assets. Assets create wealth. Most people stop at income. Successful people move through all three stages. They earn. They manage cash flow. They acquire assets. Then those assets begin producing income of their own. This creates a powerful cycle. Income becomes cash flow becomes assets, assets become wealth, wealth produces more income, and the cycle continues. Conclusion. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. Income is what you earn. Cash flow is what you keep each month. Wealth is what you own. Income can disappear, cash flow can change, but wealth, when built correctly, can continue working for you for decades. So the next time someone talks about how much money they make, ask a better question. How much cash flow do they have? And how much wealth are they building? Because financial success is not measured by income alone. It's measured by the assets, cash flow, and wealth you create over time. Follow LoanLogic Ghana to understand money, think like a banker, and build wealth.